Hello and welcome to this video where I will make you subscribe using a Rubik's Cube. First, I need to find a QR generator. That was easier than expected. We have the QR code. Now we just need some more Rubik's Cubes. Let's go. And here we have the final result. Let's see if it works. No. No! It's not working. I moved it down to the floor to see if this is not waste of 2 hours. Let's see if it works. Oh, it found something. Let's click on the link. No, I need my Face ID. Here we are. Woo!